Aluminum foil is worth gold, and few know this trick. The first thing you'll need is a blender with dull blades. Place several aluminum balls inside, turn on the blender, let it run for a few seconds, then remove the aluminum foil, and that's it. Your blades will be as good as new. Over time, blender blades become dull due to constant use. This causes food to not be processed properly, resulting in mixtures with large chunks or undesirable textures. Many people thought the only solution was to buy a new blender or replace the blades, which could be expensive and impractical. This clever trick allows you to sharpen blender blades quickly, affordably, and easily, using something as common as aluminum foil. By placing several aluminum balls inside the blender and running it for a few seconds, the friction and impact automatically sharpen the blades. After doing this, the blades are restored to like-new condition. This method not only restores the blender's performance, but also saves money by avoiding unnecessary replacements.